Enjoy high-quality films, images, and drone construction on a tight budget. A brand new technology that has been surfacing everywhere is drones. They are little, versatile flying devices that a remote can control. Drones are a growingly standard tool for businesses and consumers, from recording films and gathering aerial footage to assessing buildings and other infrastructure. Although there are many uses for drones, many are very expensive. Because of this, we have limited our videos to the best ones under $100. These drones all have distinctive qualities that set them apart from one another. Nowadays, choosing between the majority of cheap drones is pretty tricky. You can see the best drones under $100 in this video. Without further ado, let's get going. Neheme NH760. The NH760 drone's 1080 petaPascals HD, 110-degree wide angle, and 90 movable camera allow it to shoot in full HD and record breathtaking aerial footage from a bird's-eye perspective. The pictures and movies can be instantly stored on your phone. You can watch live videos on the app in first-person perspective thanks to FPV real-time transmission. More robust drive motors in the NH760 drone with a camera enable more robust and stable flight than other models. Ideal for getaways inside or outside, such as on a beach, in a field, or in a backyard. You can easily transport this foldable drone anywhere with the help of the carrying case that it comes with. When flying in a strong wind, increase the speed to the highest setting for improved control. Upgraded to 1,800 mAh powerful modular batteries offer up to 32 minutes of flight duration under calm conditions, guaranteeing safe charging and extended travel for your camera drone. Adult-oriented drones can increase the fun by offering FPV live video, gesture selfies, 3D flips, bespoke flight paths, gravity sensors, voice control, and VR mode. Now let's take flight with the NH760 RC drone and travel the globe. To start the drone, press the takeoff button. Your FPV drone's ability to maintain a stable hover is ensured by altitude hold. Flying in headless mode will always behave predictably. You can learn to fly quickly and have fun gear switching with the 3-speed flight. The drone's safety is ensured by its emergency stop design, which permits an immediate landing, and a low battery warning LED light flashes continuously. It has good features to introduce you to the world of drones and is simple to fly. It will offer you a solid understanding of how drones operate, so you can later purchase a larger, better model with more advanced features. Holystone HS110D. The Holystone HS110D is an affordable, straightforward drone with many features, including a wide-angle lens with a 120-degree field of view. It is an excellent choice for inexperienced pilots who wish to record films because it is also simple to control and hovers pleasantly after the trim is set. Simple drone with landing feet and an integrated camera. It attaches to your phone's body with a clip and charges through a microSD card slot. However, there is no gimbal stabilization, and the camera cannot be tilted or panned. The FPV remote controller is about the same size as the drone. Smaller hands could struggle to access the controls due to the bulky design. The on-screen controls are also available for drone control, but are less sensitive than the remote. It is a relatively swift drone that can spin rapidly and fly at a decent rate of speed. While not the fastest drone available, it does have a respectable amount of power when passed at more incredible speeds. When you are moving quickly over the ground at a low altitude, the wide-angle perspective of the camera creates a fantastic sense of speed. It can launch and fly for up to 18 minutes, depending on how aggressively you control it. The drone's two integrated 1000 mAh Li polymer batteries are charged within the device using the supplied mini USB connector. The average flight time per battery is 8 minutes. With a wonderfully responsive controller and a passably good camera, The NH760 is a pleasant drone to fly. Excellent camera for the price, 4 GB of included storage, and various flight modes, including headless mode, FPV, and altitude hold. The NH760 FPV is the right choice if you're seeking the best drone under $100. Sanrock U52. The Sanrock U52 is one of the best quadcopters for children and adults just starting because it has headless mode, a gravity sensor, 3 deciamperes flips, and many other helpful flight features. It has brushed motors installed. Since it only weighs 178 grams, you are not required to register it with the FAA. Set it up and launch it because the battery is ultimately charged when you get it. This tiny drone is well made overall. This will provide you with something other than studio quality footage with a 720 pascals HD camera. However, daytime photography is still relatively good. From 0 to 90 degrees, the camera's vertical angle can be changed. Live video transmission means you can see what the drone sees as it flies. It includes a 3.7 volts 1500 mAh battery that will offer you a 13-minute flight duration. The battery is depleted more quickly if you perform 3D flips. It comes with a charging wire and is powered by a drone. Compared to the 96 feet for video transmission, its maximum flight range with the remote controller is 320 feet, which is quite a distance. You may enjoy your real-time video transmission thanks to the smartphone holder it provides. A transmitter will come in handy when you want to fly the drone blind. 2 speed settings allow beginners to begin on the low speed option and move up to the high speed later. Open the app's map interface, then create the path you want the drone to go. Press it, and the plane will turn and return to its home base immediately. An excellent little, inexpensive drone to own. Appropriate with VR glasses. Using your phone's glasses, if you have any, enjoy. Holystone NH760. This is the ideal gift for children or an adult you want to introduce to the hobby of flying drones. Check out the features and flight modes before purchasing. This drone toy can be folded up. It can be flown immediately because its weight is below the registration threshold. It weighs 155 grams precisely, making it extremely easy to fold and carry in your jacket pocket. It is nearly ready. All you need to do is charge the battery, put it in, and fly the quadcopter. The propeller blades on the drone can be folded up to reduce the size further. It comes with 2 batteries for a total flight time of 26 minutes. This drone has a white top, black propeller arms, and a white LED strip that stretches across the face. It also comes with brushed motors, which are less efficient than brushless ones. This is enough time to have fun, but you can always order more. This drone has a first-person view, albeit covering a short distance. To get a better idea, you can adjust the camera's vertical angle by up to 80 degrees. It would help if you did this manually since you cannot change the remote controller. It can be controlled by waving your smartphone in the direction you want it to fly. It has a 2.4 GHz transmitter and comes with a foldable smartphone holder. The remote controller is light in weight and can hold 2 batteries for flying the drone. Make the NH760 fly and follow your instructions like a pet. It can be ordered to fly forward, right, left, halt, and other directions. This little drone is of excellent quality. You will likely outgrow it after you have mastered flying it. Tercaso Drone. Both beginners and experts can use this because of the 3 speed modes. For added fun, try changing the drone's speed mode while in flight. The transmitter and drone LEDs will flash to sound an alarm if the transmitter or drone battery is low. The fantastic 360-degree rolling makes the flight more intriguing, which offers an aerial stunt display. For propeller shields on the drone aid protect both people and the drone if it collides with a wall or the pilot while in flight. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and choose the drone's name to connect your drone to your mobile device. For the price, this drone is excellent, making it a wonderful Christmas present for someone who enjoys a challenge. The directions are simple to understand. The controller comes with 3A batteries and is immediately ready for use. The drone batteries must be charged before use. Each component is contained in a small case, making it simple to store and transport wherever you go. It's pretty easy to download and set up the app. It prompts you to sign up, but if you want to start immediately, you may skip that step. It was a little challenging at first to control the drone with the app, but after some practice, you got the hang of it. Additionally, the controller has a shutter button that lets you quickly shoot a photo or start a movie without taking your hands off the controller. You will find all the product links in the description below. Check them out. The budget is undeniably the determining factor in any purchase, especially in camera gear equipment. We are delighted to have given you the top 5 drones under $100. We hope this information helps you in making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.